The Enigma Explorers. Unraveling Town Secrets. In the heart of the picturesque town of Serendipity Springs, nestled between rolling hills and whispering pines, a group of friends found themselves on the brink of a thrilling adventure. Bonded by an unbreakable friendship and an insatiable curiosity, these young explorers were about to embark on a journey that would challenge their wit, courage, and resilience like never before. Part 1: The Mysterious Map. It all began with a weathered, parchment-like map, discovered hidden deep within the town's historical archives. William, a passionate history buff with an unquenchable thirst for adventure, stumbled upon it during his weekly visit to the Serendipity Springs Library. The map was filled with cryptic symbols and clues, pointing towards long, forgotten mysteries buried within the town's fabric. He excitedly shared his find with his friends, Sophia, an expert cryptanalyst, Emma, an intuitive problem solver, and Ethan, a technology whiz with an uncanny ability to crack codes. As they huddled around the map, a spark ignited in their eyes, and they decided to call themselves the Enigma Explorers. With the mystery map as their guide, the friends set out to uncover the secrets hidden beneath the seemingly ordinary surface of their beloved town. Part 2: The Trail of Riddles. The map led the friends on a whirlwind journey, taking them from the ancient crypts beneath the town's church to the eerie caverns deep in the forest. Each location held a new challenge, a fresh set of riddles to unravel, and obstacles to overcome. The friends encountered locked chests, cryptic inscriptions, and hidden compartments, all of which were gateways to deeper mysteries. One by one, the Enigma Explorers used their unique skills to decipher the clues. Sophia's code-breaking prowess unlocked the secrets of an old journal hidden in the crypts, revealing the story of a long, forgotten treasure. Emma's intuition guided them through a pitch-black labyrinth of caves, where they discovered a hidden chamber filled with artifacts from a bygone era. Ethan's tech gadgets proved invaluable in uncovering a network of hidden tunnels beneath the town, connecting historical landmarks and revealing the true extent of the town's secret history. Part 3: Unearthing the Past. As the friends pieced together the fragments of history and unraveled the mysteries of Serendipity Springs, they realized that their journey was about more than just solving puzzles. It was a quest to unearth the past and bring the town's history to life. The mysteries they solved shed light on forgotten heroes, buried treasures, and untold tales of bravery and love. With each discovery, their bond grew stronger, and their resolve deepened. They were not just uncovering secrets, they were breathing life into their town's history, making it relevant to the present. The townsfolk soon began to take notice of the Enigma Explorers' work, and they too were inspired to delve into their own family histories and the town's past. Part 4: The Final Puzzle. After months of relentless exploration, the Enigma Explorers found themselves at the threshold of the most enigmatic challenge yet, a puzzle that could unlock the town's greatest secret. It was hidden within the legendary Spring Mansion, a sprawling estate atop a hill, rumored to be haunted for centuries. The mansion had always been off-limits to the public, and its mysteries were shrouded in dark legends. The friends entered the mansion, heart pounding and torches flickering, and faced a complex web of riddles, traps, and illusions. With their combined efforts, they decoded the final puzzle, revealing a hidden chamber beneath the mansion filled with relics from a lost civilization. They had discovered the legacy of an ancient, benevolent secret society that had once safeguarded the town's treasures. Part 5: A Town United. The Enigma explorers shared their findings with the town, unveiling a history richer and more captivating than anyone could have imagined. The town united to celebrate its heritage, transforming Serendipity Springs into a hub of cultural and historical discovery. The Spring Mansion was transformed into a museum, and the town's ancient stories were told anew through exhibitions, workshops, and community gatherings. The friends' efforts had not only unraveled mysteries but had brought life, joy, and purpose to their town. The legacy of the Enigma explorers would forever be etched into the annals of Serendipity Springs, a reminder of the power of friendship, curiosity, and the indomitable spirit to overcome challenges and uncover the secrets that bind us to our roots. Epilogue: Beyond Serendipity Springs. With their town's mysteries solved and its history celebrated, the Enigma explorers knew that their journey was far from over. They had ignited a passion for exploration, curiosity, and problem-solving that transcended the borders of Serendipity Springs. Their experiences had inspired them to embark on new adventures, explore new places, and tackle greater enigmas. As the sun set over Serendipity Springs, casting a warm, golden hue over the town, the Enigma explorers looked to the horizon, ready to take on the world and uncover its hidden secrets, just as they had in their beloved hometown. The bond of friendship and the thrill of discovery would forever be their guiding stars on their endless journey of exploration, for they were the Enigma explorers, and they would never stop seeking the truth and embracing the mysteries of life. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. The Enigma Solvers. Unraveling the town's mysteries. It was a quaint little town named Willowbrook, nestled in a picturesque valley, surrounded by lush forests and rolling hills. Willowbrook had a secret, a mystery that had plagued the town for generations. Strange occurrences, unexplained phenomena, and a dark history shrouded this seemingly peaceful place. In the heart of Willowbrook, there were 5 lifelong friends: Sarah, Jack, Emily, Mike, and Olivia. Together, they were known as the Enigma Solvers, a group with an insatiable curiosity for unraveling the mysteries of their town. Each member had their unique strengths and quirks, but together they were a formidable team. The Mysterious Old Mansion. One crisp autumn day, Sarah came across an old newspaper article about a deserted mansion on the outskirts of town. Rumor had it that it was haunted. The Enigma Solvers decided to investigate. As they explored the decaying mansion, strange things began to happen: creaking floors, ghostly whispers, and flickering lights. It was a nerve-wracking experience, but the group didn't give up. Through their teamwork and resourcefulness, they uncovered the mansion's hidden history, which involved a tragic love story from the past. Willowbrook was known for its annual Founders' Day celebration, and this year was special. The town's treasured heirloom, a centuries-old golden key, had gone missing. Without it, the Founders' Day parade couldn't commence, and the town's tradition was at risk. The Enigma Solvers took on the challenge to find the missing key. With their wit and determination, they followed a trail of cryptic clues left by the key's thief. They encountered obstacles and rival treasure hunters, but they persisted, and in the end, they recovered the golden key just in time for the celebration. The Cursed Forest. A dense forest loomed on the outskirts of Willowbrook. It was said to be cursed, with tales of people entering but never returning. The Enigma Solvers decided to venture into the forest, despite the warnings. They found themselves lost in a maze of twisted trees and eerie sounds. Panic set in, but they relied on their friendship and ingenuity to overcome the forest's sinister illusions and traps. As they navigated the labyrinth, they discovered the truth behind the curse, which had a surprisingly rational explanation. The town's elementary school was celebrating its centennial anniversary, and the students had buried a time capsule 100 years ago. However, when they dug it up, they found it empty. The Enigma Solvers were approached by the school's principal, who hoped they could uncover the truth behind the missing contents. They dove into the town's history, interviewed elderly residents, and unearthed forgotten records. Their perseverance led them to a hidden compartment in the time capsule, containing a letter that explained the missing items had been donated to help a family in need during the Great Depression. Willowbrook had a quaint library that held a collection of ancient tomes and valuable manuscripts. It was also rumored to be haunted by a vengeful spirit. The Enigma Solvers decided to investigate, and they spent nights in the library, searching for any evidence of the ghostly presence. They experienced spine-tingling encounters, but they refused to be deterred. Eventually, they discovered the true story of the supposed ghost, a lonely librarian who had died in the library and wished for someone to finish her unfinished novel. The group not only solved the mystery but also published the librarian's book as a tribute to her. The Hidden Tunnels. A series of unexplained tremors had shaken Willowbrook, causing minor damage to some buildings. The Enigma Solvers started researching geological records and discovered an intricate network of tunnels beneath the town. As they delved deeper, they uncovered a forgotten secret society that had built these tunnels for clandestine meetings during the town's early days. The group worked tirelessly to explore the tunnels, solve puzzles, and unveil the society's intentions, ultimately proving that the tremors were caused by natural factors rather than anything sinister. Willowbrook's history was rich with artifacts and historical relics. However, over time, several had disappeared from the town's museum. The Enigma Solvers took it upon themselves to recover the lost treasures. They became amateur detectives, scrutinizing security footage and analyzing visitor patterns. Their investigation led them to an art thief with a penchant for intricate heists. After an exhilarating chase and showdown, they managed to retrieve the stolen artifacts and return them to the museum. Residents of Willowbrook began receiving anonymous letters that revealed their deepest secrets. The town was in turmoil as friendships and relationships crumbled under the weight of these revelations. The Enigma Solvers resolved to unmask the phantom mailer. They analyzed the handwriting, cross-referenced the content of the letters, and even set up a sting operation. The trail eventually led to an embittered former postman who had harbored grievances for years. Through compassion and reconciliation, they managed to put an end to the ordeal and heal the town's wounds. The Time Traveling Watch. While cleaning out his grandfather's attic, Jack discovered an old pocket watch that seemed to be from the future. It had advanced technology and even displayed future dates. The Enigma Solvers couldn't resist the allure of time travel and decided to investigate the watch's origins. They consulted scientists, historians, and experts in horology. Eventually, they concluded that the watch was an elaborate hoax created by a brilliant inventor who had left behind clues about his intentions. Although time travel remained elusive, their quest for knowledge expanded their understanding of science and history. Willowbrook had a beautiful lake that had provided water and livelihood for generations. However, the lake was gradually disappearing, leaving behind a barren landscape. The Enigma Solvers embarked on an ambitious quest to solve this ecological mystery. They sought the help of environmental experts, conducted water tests, and analyzed satellite images. Through their diligent research and determination, they uncovered that a clandestine water bottling company was illegally diverting water from the lake. Their efforts led to the company's shutdown and the restoration of the precious lake. Through their tenacity and unwavering friendship, the Enigma Solvers became local heroes. They had unraveled the mysteries of Willowbrook, revealing the truth behind the town's legends and secrets. Their adventures had made them stronger and brought them closer together, proving that no challenge was insurmountable when faced with determination and the support of true friends. The Enigma Solvers had not only enriched their own lives but had also strengthened the bonds of their community, inspiring everyone in Willowbrook to confront their fears, overcome obstacles, and believe in the power of unity and resilience. As the Enigma Solvers stood at the heart of their beloved town, they knew that they had made a difference, leaving behind a legacy of courage, curiosity, and unwavering friendship. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and hit the subscribe button to learn English through watching these kinds of interesting stories daily. Please click on the screen on any video showing on your screen to watch it next. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video till the end.